Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kumayil Haneef from UKG. Today I'm gonna do an experiment called Rain in Blood. It's a very creepy experiment, but it's very fun to do. What you need is a bowl of oil, a jar of water, some food coloring, and a fork. First you pour the food coloring into the oil. I'm using 4 different colors. I'm using red, blue, green, and orange. You see the food coloring is on the bottom of the oil. So you stir it with the fork. You stir, 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 and stir. Next, you slowly pour the mixture into the water. You see the oil floats on top of the water. In few seconds, you'll see something interesting happens. Small droplets of the mixture starts to fall down to the bottom of the water. Do you know why? Because the food coloring and oil mix is heavier than water. See, it's raining blood. Jazakallah khairan.